Did you know that nearly 80% of people who lose weight regain it within a year? That's staggering. Today, we're diving into effective weight loss strategies, grounded in scientific research. Weight loss can be daunting. Many face hurdles like misinformation and fad diets that lead nowhere. Understanding the challenges is key to overcoming them. Let's break it down together. The first strategy is calorie tracking. Research shows that keeping a food diary boosts weight loss. Next up is incorporating more protein into your diet, which helps control hunger and burns calories. Let's talk about portion control. Using smaller plates can trick your brain into feeling full sooner. Regular physical activity is crucial. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Mindful eating can also help. Focusing on your food allows you to enjoy meals without distractions. Drinking water before meals has been shown to reduce calorie intake. It's a simple yet effective tip. Sleep isn't just for rest. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain by increasing hunger hormones. Managing stress through mindfulness or yoga can help prevent emotional eating and weight gain. Don't skip breakfast. Studies indicate that people who eat a balanced breakfast tend to weigh less. Social support matters. Having friends or family to motivate you can drastically improve results. Lastly, setting realistic goals keeps you motivated and engaged in your weight loss journey. Among these strategies, one really stands out. Regular physical activity consistently shows the best results. A recent study revealed that even small increases in daily movement lead to significant weight loss. So, get moving. Find activities you love and integrate them into your routine for lasting change. To summarize, effective strategies include tracking calories, eating more protein, and exercising regularly. Remember, evidence-based methods not only aid in losing weight, but also help maintain it long-term. Your journey may have ups and downs, but sticking to these strategies can pave the way to success. What's your favorite weight loss strategy? Share in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you're eager for more fitness tips, check out our next video that dives deeper into health strategies. Remember, each step toward your goal is progress. Let's embrace the journey together. Every small change counts towards achieving our health goals. With each strategy, we empower ourselves with knowledge, leading to healthier choices every day. Stay curious. Research confirms that understanding our bodies enables us to make informed decisions. So whether you're tracking calories or getting active, keep science on your side for best results. No pain, no gain doesn't apply here. Find joy in the process for sustainable lifestyle changes. Engage with your community. Support groups and forums can provide vital encouragement and accountability. What works for one might not work for all. Tailor strategies to what suits your life and preferences. Self-compassion plays a huge role too. Be kind to yourself during setbacks, they're part of growth. Savoring meals, rather than rushing through them, leads to better digestion and satisfaction levels. Balance is key. Explore diverse foods. Variety ensures you receive essential nutrients while enjoying meals. Track your progress, whether on paper or an app. It motivates and shows how far you've come. Celebrate small victories along the way. These milestones deserve recognition as part of your growth story. Embrace flexibility in your approach. Sometimes adapting strategies makes all the difference in success. Ultimately, it's about creating habits that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle for enduring health benefits. Let inspiration fuel your journey. Follow fitness channels or social media pages that resonate with you. Together, let's strive for balance, physically and mentally, for a healthier tomorrow.